JBLM battalion leader has been convicted of sexual harassment in what is considered a rare case in our nation's history.
Welcome to the Military Justice Podcast, where we delve into the complex and often controversial aspects of military law and leadership. In today's episode, we're discussing the recent actions of Lieutenant Colonel Herman West and the serious consequences he's facing. Lieutenant Colonel Herman West, a seasoned artillery battalion commander at Joint Base Lewis McChord, has been found guilty of harassing 3 female officers under his command. The court-martial found West guilty on 2 counts of sexual harassment and 1 count of cruelty and maltreatment of a subordinate. West was accused of engaging in a step-by-step escalation of sexual harassment, including invasions of privacy, unwelcome fondling, salacious jokes, and disrobing that exposed his underwear. The military judge, Lieutenant Colonel Robert Murdo, sentenced West to receive an official reprimand and fined him nearly $100,000. West's attorney, Jason Wareham, stated that the reprimand would effectively force West to leave the service. West addressed the female officers in court, expressing deep regret for his actions and acknowledging the pain he caused. "It cuts me deep. I could see and feel the pain I caused," he said. He apologized to the women and their families, acknowledging the shadow he cast over their lives and careers. West's actions not only violated military regulations, but also deeply affected the careers and well-being of the female officers involved.
And what they want is a fair shake. They don't want an unequal playing field. They want a playing field that's equal, and that means that they need to be free to do their jobs without concern about harassment.
In January 2022, sexual harassment was officially added as a specific offense under the Uniform Code of Military Justice, UcmJ, through an executive order signed by President Joe Biden. This historic addition was part of broader military justice reforms, aimed at strengthening the military's response to sexual assault and harassment. The change was driven by the tragic case of Army Specialist Vanessa Guillen, whose experience with severe sexual harassment and subsequent murder brought national attention to the issue. What are your thoughts on this case? Do you think the punishment fits the crime, or should there be additional measures taken? Share your thoughts with us in the comments or send an email to militaryjusticepodcast@gmail.com.